is the Halo Center for VeinTrain in Sub-Saharan Africa. Venepuncture and cannulation are the most commonly performed procedures in healthcare, yet continue to be substandard due to inadequate or minimal training and competency assessment. The PreLink VeinTrain e-learning platform not only offers excellent student connect engagement, but also provides learners with a framework that facilitates the achievement of excellence. PreLink VeinTrain's structured learning program includes practical and theoretical elements through simulation. Our transparent vein allows the learner to visualize the needle or cannula once it enters the vein. Positive patient outcome is crucial to us. The PreLink VeinTrain e-learning program includes the innovative flat pack vein, pathway for successful and safe competency achievement, outline essential training and assessment equals theory and practice, record of competency achievement, final assessment and reflection of learning, 12-month access token to online e-learning portal easily accessible from any device. VeinTrain, taking the pain out of needles.